Hey David, my name is Josh Betzel, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You're most likely sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Well, I've found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free, still has owners raising their hands saying, Josh, I like what you do. Please keep doing this for me. So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. So when we're talking about content, we're talking about the little words on your page, and not just the words, but what keywords you use. When I'm talking about the words, I plugged your word count on your homepage into this word counter, and it came up to 40. You really want 1,500 words at least on your homepage, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots, and these robots, they crawl and look for these keywords in the content. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So when I'm talking about keywords is this right here. Your keyword that you are ranked for are Premier Gutters. This is a Keywords Everywhere tool I use. It runs you about $10 for 100,000 credits. Very useful. All right, so you can see that 260 people in this volume are searching per month for Premier Gutters, and you're ranked 29. All right, now I'm going to go over to your competition here, Brothers Gutters. Brothers Gutters is your competition because they're the most organic ranked website on Google when you search gutters installation, Jacksonville, Florida. I mean, Yelp is there, but they're a directory site. So we go over to their Keywords Everywhere, and this is what they're ranking for, okay? They're ranking number 1 in 480 search volume with Gutters, Jacksonville, Florida. All right, Gutter Installation, Jacksonville, Florida. Ranked number 1, 480 searches a month are being brought back to their website. Gutter Companies, Jacksonville, Florida. Ranked number 4, 50. Gutter Jacksonville, Florida, 1, 210, Seamless Gutters. You know, I could go on and on about this. And they also only have 234 words on their homepage, okay? So could you even imagine how much more traffic they could get if they even expanded their content, not just on their homepage, but on back pages? Crazy to think about. So the second thing I want to go over is just how this first page of Google is set up, okay? Of course, we see the ads, and ads are good, okay? Ads are good, but they're only semi-effective per research, and they can become a money pit if they are not used correctly, for sure. The next thing we see is the Google Map Pack, GMP, also GMB, Google My Business, all right? And when I go into the Map Pack, you are on the first page, which is awesome, all right? But just because you're on the first page doesn't mean you be seen. When people are searching for gutter installation, Jacksonville, Florida, they see these first 3 right here, and you want to be up on this first 3. So now you're asking, Josh, how do I get up on the first 3? Well, I use this tool called Local Citation Finder. It's by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. Very helpful tool. Runs you about 30 to 70 bucks a month, and it tells you how many citations you have. So you have 20 citations. And if you really want to rank and be untouchable, you need to have probably 200 to 300 of these at least, okay? As you can see, your competition, they only have 19 citation sources, which is why you beat them in the map pack. All right. The last thing I want to go over is backlinks, link juice. Okay. And I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's extremely useful. I use it every day because, well, I'm a digital marketer, but it runs you about 180 bucks a month. Okay. And as you can see, you have 150 backlinks and 11 referring domains. All right. This link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. This link juice you obtain works a lot more differently and a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. When I'm talking about that, I'm just going to go over to your competition's Ahrefs. They have 43 backlinks and 21 referring domains. Meanwhile, you have 150 backlinks, 11 referring domains. That means that their backlinks have more authority and more link juice to them. For example, if you have a LinkedIn pointing back to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking back at you. Because, hey, let's be real, you sling gutter installations for a living. You don't sling pizzas. All right, so that's how that backlink and link juice works. So just to recap, the first thing we went over was content. You want to have the keywords, specifically a lot of these keywords, in your 1500 homepage, okay? The second thing was citations. The citations for the Google Map Pack. You want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And the last thing was link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show that you are the authority. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-901-6020. Once again, my name is Josh and my number is 904-901-6020. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.